Hi guys, Cindy here. Okay, so it's Friday, it's nail day, and I've been working on nails. See my little stubby fingers? Um, I already started these because I needed to get them started so they could be drying because as you know, I don't like gels that much. So, but I was wanting us to do some glow in the dark flame nails. Anyway, I'm gonna turn the light off and so that you guys can see if they really are glow in the dark or not. So as you can see, they're not. Let's pull this up. I got a little UV light here. They do with the little nail light. Hopefully at church they will shine for me too. So here's this, but this here's just was regular polish, so I don't really know what the deal is. But I bought them as glow in the dark, and I was hoping that they would glow all on their own without any special light, but they're not. Because I'm going to turn this off and you'll see. It's pitch black. Okay, there you go. And there's our experiment. Anyway, lesson learned. We're still going to give it a try. So I ombre these out. See the little sponge? And there are some little, not less than perfect spots. But last night I was kind of Googled pictures. I think I Googled flame nails. And granted, the nails that I saw was so much better than the nails I'm going to do because these was, professionals and they spent a lot of time working on it. And they didn't just try to whip them out real quick before work. Anyway, the polish I used was this Sally Hansen, which you could use any white, and the nails I used was these base colors. Let me pull these up to make sure you guys can see. And I bought these off Amazon. They're kind of like they came out a little bit after the Apres base colors, and I do have Apres base colors in medium, but in both stiletto and Coffin, but I kind of wanted to use long nails. So I used some of my last whites. I think I probably used whites before and threw them away. They weren't any good or something. But we're going to try to wear these this weekend. After work, I'm going to try to put them on tonight. If I have time. If not, I'll do it in the morning. Because I've got to go do my friend's nails for her. She's older and, it's just sticking on those little color streak stickers. It's not a big deal. So I'm just sticking on the stickers for it. That's all I'm doing. Anyway, so let's get started. I ombre these out. I used Sally Hansen white. I think I used this shade of pink. You can tell can you see? I got polish all over me. I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit before I go to work. Especially this one little nail. I got white on it. And I just painted these last night. What I did all week long was pretty much every night I took the old polish off and put new polish on because I was just tired of it. I just used a base coat of this nail aid and then whatever color I wanted and then a top coat. And then one day I might have worn polish 2 days, but I didn't. I just wanted to change it. So anyway, let's see how these flames work. So we're gonna, pictures I saw that I kind of liked were, had pink and black. And pink's pretty safe. It's, pink goes with everything. And granted, I'm certain these are a whole lot nicer than what we're gonna do. But, so I ombre these out with the sponge. If you can see the sponge. And I just used one sponge over the whole thing. And, the tips of them, I put this plain gel glue. Just put the lid back on that. And so let's see if we can get this looking halfway decent. Okay. I did not bring my little my little silicone tool. Let me go get that real quick. And I can't remember, so I've got a lot more glue on here than I need because I think I took all the pink. I didn't go all over the whole nail. But they've got some cute shapes here. They got some stars. I don't know if I'll use a star. I can probably, let me go get the silicone tip because I'll scratch it if I use my plain fingers. It's just right here in this. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so let's see how this does. Okay, there's one. It turned out okay. It stuck okay. You know, I was kind of concerned. This is the first time I've used this foil, so I was a little on the concerned side. And I'm just gonna put another one. I think the ones I saw online were like hand drawn. And I got some more stickers too. We'll make for another video. I've got also some red, white, and blue dip powder kit. We need to do that. I'm kind of scared to put that on my natural nails. And not only that, even on the false nails, how is that going to soak off? Is that going to be hard to soak off? Does anyone know? Uh-oh, that left a little black mark there. I probably can stick a little star there too, maybe. As long as we got black stuff. Except that I don't know if I've got enough glue over the whole thing. We'll see. A little bit came off. You can't really see it though. That might have been a mistake. Probably was. Oh well. Let's do the next nail. I might see if I can get that off. Because it just looks like I'm going to leave it on. I'm not going to try to get it off. I'll just make it worse. We'll just lesson learned. I'm going to the hairdresser rather than that. So there's another one. Let's put another little one on this thumbnail. Let's hope that we're not going to regret this. I could have probably used a different color. I didn't even think about that. Now here's a cute little design. I have no idea what that is. This is a cute design here. Let's see about putting that on our other thumb. Looks like a phoenix bird, which I'm not a fan of phoenixes, but we can say, okay, it's not phoenix bird, it's something else. Maybe it's a eagle or some kind of bird. I don't know. Okay, that turned out good. Let's see about this one here that I kind of goofed up a little bit. We're just going to leave it alone. I'm afraid I'm going to make it worse. And probably I could have took one of these other colors too, but we're not. We're just going to use pink and black. Here's another kind of interesting pattern. And I got this off Amazon. And I did read because because some of the nail, I've been just looking for glow in the park nail polish, but I did not want anything that had to be UV powered. I wanted just regular natural dark. And I did not want gel because I don't like gel. And so I just looked and read all these descriptions. And I know I read the descriptions on this. And it was still it didn't say anything at all about needing to be light. But that's just the way it is. Maybe it'll show up at church. Hopefully, and then one of them, the clear one, didn't have any color at all whenever I held it up to the light. But we'll test it again before we get done. And actually, this actually has transferred on pretty good. So here's one sect. I don't know if you can see it good. Hopefully you can. Okay. So let's do another one. Hopefully we'll do better on this hand. We've learned a few lessons. Uh-oh. But yeah, like if you wasn't had to get to work by a certain time, like I do, and had time to really mess with it, you know, you could probably double the layer, you know, and have different colors. Of course, I ombra'd out, so there's still pink and white. That one went down a little low. We might try to do a second one. Okay, since that one get kind of low, let's see if we can get another one going on here. There we go. It's not wanting to stick real good, but that's okay. So, this other one here. Let's see if another one will stick, because this one's kind of small. A little bit, not much. Not much at all. I think it's this plate. I didn't get, you know, glue all the way down. That's what was going on. Either that or it just doesn't want to stick once, you know, I've stuck something once. I probably could put another layer of glue. There's some, I don't know. Well, I don't think we have time to wait for it. I got to get to work and you guys don't want to watch. You don't want to wait that long. So, let's just top coat it. It'd probably be better. It could be better. Like if I wasn't doing it on camera, you know, I could have done a little better job. So, I'm just going to use this LA color top and base coat. And maybe tonight, we'll think about it when I get home. I might put some more glue on it and do another coat over it, but I don't know. We'll see. And I do have some stickers, but I wanted to use the full today. Stickers would definitely, you don't have to wear them I'm not transferring. Okay. And when I ombre these, even though I used the base color, I still had to use polish all the way down. So I probably could have been just as good, not just using plain nails. For some reason, I thought I wouldn't have as much work if I used the base colors, but that was not true. Because anyway, I still had to ombre it down. It only took me about 3 pats each nail. I would like painted on the sponge. And then, so let's see how this does. I'm going to turn the lights out. And I'm going to try this again. See how it looks on the nails. Ooh, I'm not seeing nothing. Well, so the polish is showing, but the black is not showing glow in dark at all. Looks like I didn't pick a good color. Let's see, which one is the black? Oh, I'll pull the black out. Here's the black. I thought black was glow in the dark. No, that black don't look glow in the dark at all. So that wasn't a good decision on my part. Anyway, it's just the way it is. Our little experiment. So, I will see you guys next time. I'm going to try to touch up these nails so I can get to work. And I might, you'll know if I do it in the thumbnail, I might put another layer on top of them. Maybe pink. The white, I could do white, I don't know. Or I might do nothing. I might just wear them. Or I might throw them out. We'll just see. I don't know. We'll just see. So I will see you guys later. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.